Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by unlocking the domain and requesting the EPP/auth code from your current registrar. This authorizes transfer. You also confirm whois contact email and check for any 60-day transfer lock that would block progress. Once done, export your DNS zone to preserve CNAME, MX, and TXT records so services don't break. Make sure billing is current and two-factor access is available. That prevents delays and lets you proceed to initiate the transfer at the gaining registrar. You now initiate the transfer at the new registrar, supplying the EPP/auth code and approving any verification emails. This step confirms ownership. While the transfer is pending, recreate the DNS zone at the new provider so records match exactly. That prevents downtime when you switch name servers. Then lower TTL to something like 300 seconds to make propagation faster. Make sure to keep both registrars accessible until transfer completes, because sometimes you must reauthorize. You finalize by confirming the transfer completed in your account and updating name servers to the new host. That directs traffic to the recreated zone. Once name servers change, monitor the site, email, and DNS records during the next 24 to 48 hours to ensure services work end-to-end. If problems occur, first check whois and whether DNSSEC or a registrar lock is enabled. Also flush local DNS caches and use public resolvers to verify. If needed, re-import records or contact registrars with the transfer ID.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.